In recent years, the removal of the headphone jack has become a controversial topic. Smartphones are becoming sleeker and slimmer, making it difficult to accommodate traditional audio equipment. It's no wonder that many manufacturers have decided to remove the 3.5mm headphone jack in favor of other technologies such as USB-C or Bluetooth audio. This shift has created a new challenge for music lovers. How do you listen to your favorite songs without a headphone jack or dongle? The good news is that there are several solutions available that make it possible to enjoy high-quality audio without being tethered to an outdated piece of tech. The first option is to purchase wireless headphones or earbuds that use either Bluetooth or USB-C connections. This type of equipment offers superior sound quality compared to wired headphones and can be used with most modern smartphones without needing any additional dongles or adapters. Additionally, they come in a variety of styles and price points, so you can find something that suits your needs and budget perfectly. If wireless headphones are not an option for you, then there are still other ways to get great sound from your smartphone without needing a headphone jack or dongle. One solution is to invest in a portable speaker system with either USB-C or Bluetooth connectivity built in. These systems typically offer superior audio performance than what is available through your phone's internal speakers and can be easily connected wirelessly, so you don't have to worry about plugging anything in directly. Finally, if neither of these options appeals to you, then there's always the option of using an adapter that allows you to plug traditional wired headphones into your smartphone's USB-C port instead of its 3.5mm headphone jack, assuming it still has one. While this may not provide the same level of convenience as wireless listening, it does allow you access all the music on your phone without having to buy any additional hardware, besides the adapter. No matter which way you choose, living the smartphone audio dream is now more achievable than ever before. With so many options available for getting great sound from your mobile device without needing a headphone jack or dongle, there's no reason why anyone should be missing out on their favorite tunes just because their phone doesn't have one. Thanks for watching.